Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both computer and phone so the connection is reliable. Plug the phone in, enable developer options, then toggle USB debugging. This grants the computer access. Make sure Android Studio has the appropriate SDK, platform tools, and emulator images installed, otherwise ADB will fail. Once done, verify the phone appears with a DB devices. If it does not, check the cable and authorize the computer on the phone. These first steps remove common blockers before configuring the emulator or routing traffic. Now you configure ADB and the emulator so your phone talks to the app running on the host. First, start ADB and confirm the device ID appears. This ensures a control channel. Next, launch the emulator or the host app and decide whether to forward ports or use ADB reverse. A DB reverse maps a host port to the phone, so the phone hits local host endpoints on your machine. Make sure your app listens on 0, 0, 0, 0 or proper interface. Otherwise, connections will be refused. Finally, install and run the APK on your phone and verify behavior. Deploy with Android Studio or a DB install, then observe a DB logcat to watch runtime logs and network errors. Confirm the app reaches the mapped host port and that host services accept remote connections. If something goes wrong, perform targeted troubleshooting. Restart a DB with a DB kill server, then a DB start server, switch USB mode to file transfer, and temporarily disable the host firewall to test connectivity. These steps solve the majority of connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.